What is up, guys and gals? This is Brandon. My mining cave is a mess right now, but a couple people wanted me to do an update. I still have my 1060 system. It's got 5 1060s and one 1050 Ti at the end. Those are all mining Ethereum directly. Have my small little AMD system right here. It's a 580 and two 560s mining Ethereum directly. And then I have my Zencash system, which is the Octo miner. I now have 7 1050 Ti's in there and one 1080 8 gig at the end. That 1080 was in my system downstairs, the one that was on NiceHash, but until I get my new motherboard and stuff in for that one, it's currently just chilling where it is right now. Let's see here. Running off this little server power supply. That thing does get like super loud at times, but so yeah, annoying. I'm glad it's out of the way. It's not getting too hot. Staying good. But I was running this little fan on this whole system, but I noticed it didn't really cover it very well. So I'm going to be bringing this big box fan in. Now, where do y'all think it's best? To be blowing through them this way, to put it on the backside and blow the air through this way, put it underneath, put it on top? I'm just curious to know. So yeah, please comment down below and let me know. This is just a quick little update. I'm planning on expanding. I don't know how exactly I want to do it. I really want to put a rig right here. I'll pull that pipe up and have an intake for the exhaust to go out, and then just set one right there on that table and maybe another one right there. So got a couple more spots for some good rigs without having to go onto the other side of the room. Don't mind this is a mess. This is where I was just testing out my old system to see if I could get it to boot on different power supplies and swapping stuff over. This motherboard is dead. It's not good for anything now. So that was my mistake, but thank y'all for watching, and really do appreciate it. And I really like looking at all the comments and stuff. A lot of people are like, oh my god, your mining room's a mess, but I'm trying to get it there. It'll be there soon. Got a spot, another one right there for another rig, but I do need to actually hook up. I have currently only 2 breakers in this room. They're dedicated 20 amps and they're not used anywhere else in the house but here. But I do have another 20 amp in the room over there, and I'm going to go back behind this wall, come in and cut me out a new socket and run a cable to that. So I'll have 3 20 amp circuits in this room dedicated for nothing else but just this room. I don't go into the other one, that's just storage. So yeah, 60 amps should be enough to feed me some more systems for sure. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.